Now, stakeholders in the education sector are advocating for a comprehensive national career guidance and counseling policy to support informed career choices and national development. At a workshop in Abuja on the development of the policy framework, experts emphasized the need for structured guidance systems to help students and young people align their skills with labor market demands. Obasa Medina's report.
The development of a national career guidance and counseling policy framework is seen as a critical step towards addressing unemployment, underemployment, and skills mismatch in Nigeria. Experts say effective career guidance can equip young people with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed educational and professional decisions. Speaking at the workshop, UNESCO Education Representative Oladeji Adeyemi described career guidance as a vital link between education and employment, stressing that learning alone is not enough without clear pathways into job and careers. He emphasized that career guidance should be treated as a core component of the education and employment system rather than an optional add-on.
So it is my pleasure and the pleasure of UNESCO to welcome everyone to this policy dialogue and consultative workshop on the development of the National Career Guidance and Counseling Framework. This initiative, of course, is being led by the Federal Ministry of Education and UNESCO, as well as GIZ, has been supporting this process right from the beginning. And we need to emphasize the fact that guidance counseling is not an add-on to education. That is very key. It's something that is very, very important. If we have our young people that are not properly and appropriately guided, of course, they are not likely to make informed decisions. And that will have a direct consequence on what is done in the country and how well we are able to strengthen our system.
Also speaking, representing the Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Education, stressed that career guidance must move from the margins to the core of Nigeria's education system.
The consultative workshop is designed to develop a national career guidance and counseling policy framework. This framework will serve as the foundation upon which we build a more responsive education system, one that aligns individual aspiration with the actual need of the Nigerian labor markets.
Dr. Sunday Onazi, representing the Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Labor and Employment, noted that the meeting comes at a critical time as countries worldwide seek better ways to prepare young people for an increasingly competitive and complex global workforce.
Career guidance and counseling is not merely an educational support services, but a strategic labor intervention. It plays a vital role in bridging the gap between education, skill acquisition, employment, and ensure individuals are equipped with relevant information, competencies, and pathways for sustainable livelihood.
Participants also called for strong collaboration between governments, educational institutions, and private sectors to ensure the successful implementation of the policy.